Usumbut Menteri Rangbak Kejela Ubaderu MLA ke Penursla Konstituensi Ubak Prestone Tensong. Ulah-kular benra akamat ke Sorkar Pdeng ke Jingker kinong song-snong ke Lyngkhong ke Persya ke Jingker Sainar sya ke jaga kaput ke Bajenga Shis Paksan Popro na uzero lain. Ke Pdeng ke India bat ke Bangladesh. Haba gentat ke Jingker no bagi padba ke Persya ke Jingker Sainar sya Ubak Prestone Tensong ulah pensyai bagi nong song-snong kim Persya ke Jingker. Namar kadai ke Bren Kambha. Mereka jeng kalong balada ker bun kishnong kum ke Lyngkhong bat kiwei pat kishnong kum karat nong sken kindo ya gijakarap bat gijaka syong jaga sa jong kiru. Kum ta ke Sorkar jela kan chimkia benekran bat ke Sorkar Pdeng kenang ban ker no yau Sainar sya hajan uzero lain bat ban omlen ki jaga syong jaga sa bat ki jakarap jeng nong syong shnong. Kani ke jengkular usumbut Menteri Rangba kawan hadian ke ki pat ba jeng shnong Lyngkhong ke bahab ke district East Khasi Hills ha ke hinyo terik ujeliau arajar arpun rio. Ha ke ba kiladawa ban ker yau Sainar sya na uzero lain bat pok ke jaka kari India. Kinong syong shnong gilai tiru ya kedor khas au SDO ka Penursla Civil Subdivision ban pensange ano ya ke jing trade tat hadu ban da Pynbeit ya ke jing Kashnong Lyngkhong kadai kebadan hak jaga kaput bat keri Bangladesh.
Think about the fencing, border fencing, and see the problem here is like this. In fact, the people of the state is not at all against the fencing. Border fencing is a must and it is very, very necessary. So therefore, this in the process of the construction of the fencing, what happened was, like for example, few villages in the name of Lyngkhong village, and then some more, it happens in right Nongsken, where the village, half of the village is outside the fencing. And number two is again the farming place that they do every year. Again, it is outside the fencing. So right now we discuss about this issue, and we would again like to also apprise this issue to the government of India, if possible, to kindly go further down, maybe towards the zero line, so that the space that we have, that we are utilizing or we are using for the farming activities is not at all wasted. That is the thing.
You will be taking up with the central government?
Yes, with the central government.